So it's the middle of December and you can feel it, but we're out here to do the maiden flight of the FMS F-15 Eagle. I loved the Motion RC Raptor we picked up from Freewing, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this one compares. Let's go. Let's do this! Oh, baby! Oh, yeah. Okay, this plane. Oh yeah, that was the money I needed.
That's what you wanted?
That was it. Now you got her to stick.
You know, she's going to take some getting used to on the takeoff and landing, but now that I've got the trim on the elevator, I think she'll do pretty well.
Oh. Well, I think that's one of my rougher takeoffs. Definitely the roughest I got in the air with. But I found once I got up there that I needed quite a bit of up elevator trim. I've got that in there, it's just flying really well. Figure once I figure out the right speed, the landing's gonna be smooth too. Overall, I like the plane. It's a lot of fun. I don't know how well it compares to the Raptor that I just got off of, but that's probably because I'm used to that plane and I really fell in love with it. So I'm really looking forward to get more flights with this to see, get a better idea of just how good she is. Then we'll come back to you with the 10 flight catch-up. Until then, keep flying. All right, so I'm running a Racetech 2400 milliamp hour 4-cell battery, and after 3 minutes and 15 seconds, we are at 36%. This is definitely more efficient than the Raptor. Oh, I could have stayed up for another half minute or so. Probably the most efficient EDF I've flown yet.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!